Good day to all employers out there. Hello. Hi, I'm Rosalie Melgar, 48 years old. Married, have two children, all boys 24 years old now. I've been working in Hong Kong for almost 6 years. First family was a Chinese family, four members in the family. Children's ages 2 and 4 years old, all boys. My duties and responsibilities household all the household chores, marketing, cooking, and taking care of the children. It lasts for 1 year and 6 months only because they're moving in the China for good. And the second family was a Chinese family also. There are all five members in the family, three children, ages 2, 4, and 7 years old. My household duties taking care of the children, cooking, sometimes because they have another helper to do cooking. I'm more on taking care all the children, picking up and sent to school. Finish contract. And the third one was a family, Chinese family also. Four member in the family. My duties and responsibilities taking care of children and cooking, laundry, marketing, all the household chores, my responsibility. Please, all the employers out there, just give me a chance, another chance for me. I want to work again in Hong Kong, and I promise you cannot regret if you can hire me. I will follow all the rules and regulation in your house, and I will do my best to do my job good. And I will treat your children as good as mine. Thank you. Good day.